Welcome to our YouTube channel. Types of gates used in mold? In injection molding, gates are the openings through which molten plastic material enters the mold cavity. The choice of gate type depends on factors such as the part design, material properties, cosmetic requirements, and production considerations. Here are some common types of gates used in mold designs. Sprue Gate. The Sprue Gate is the simplest and most commonly used gate. It is directly connected to the injection nozzle and feeds the molten plastic into the mold's runner system. The Sprue Gate leaves a visible mark on the part, typically at its center, which may require additional finishing. Direct or edge gate. In the direct or edge gating system, the gate is located directly at the edge of the part. It provides a clean entry point for the molten plastic, resulting in minimal gate vestige or mark. This type of gate is often used for flat or thin parts. Submarine gate. The submarine gate, also known as a submarine or banana gate, is an extension of the Sprue Gate that is positioned below the parting line. It allows the gate to be concealed within the part, leaving no visible marks on the visible surface. Submarine gates are commonly used for aesthetic parts or components that require a gate location away from critical features. Tab gate. A tab gate is a small rectangular or circular gate located at the edge of the part. It provides a controlled flow of plastic into the mold and leaves a small gate mark that is easy to remove or conceal. Tab gates are often used for small parts or parts with thin walls. Fan gate. A fan gate is a wide gate that allows the molten plastic to flow across a broad area of the mold cavity. It distributes the material more evenly, reducing the chances of flow-related defects. Fan gates are commonly used for large parts or parts with complex geometries. Pinpoint gate. A pinpoint gate, also known as a gate insert or hot tip gate, is a small gate that provides a precise entry point for the molten plastic. It is typically used for small, intricate parts or parts that require precise filling control. These are just a few examples of gate types used in injection molding. Other variations, such as film gate, ring gate, or valve gate, may also be employed depending on the specific requirements of the part and the molding process. The selection of the appropriate gate type is crucial to ensure proper filling, minimize gate marks, and achieve the desired part quality. Thanks for watching.